Hey everyone, I'm Will Roberts here with the Harris Group, and today I'm at 10351 Toler Bridge Road here in Lewisport, Kentucky. This house has 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a little over 4,000 square feet, a full finished walkout basement, and is all on 20 acres. This is a truly unique horse farm.
This kitchen was fully remodeled by the sellers top to bottom, and it has natural light that overlooks the horse farm. And I love the quartz countertops.
Now welcome to this incredible master suite with gorgeous views, a bathroom, and a bonus space. Let's take a look.
This is incredibly unique for a master suite. This could be a cozy nook for reading. It could be a nursery, your home office, or even your workout area that is just right off the master. What we love about this home is it's been remodeled top to bottom. It has a walkout basement with natural light coming in that we rarely see in basements.
Yes, this has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a laundry room as well.
If you've been looking for the perfect setup for your horses, this property has it all. We've got a well-designed 4-stall barn with a dry lot, giving your horses space to move while keeping their hooves dry and healthy. Inside, there's a tack room to store all your saddles and gear, a dedicated feed room to keep everything organized, and a hay loft for extra storage. And the best part, the barn has power, making chores and late night checks easy. This is an ideal setup for any equestrian.
For all the equestrians out there, this property is a dream. It features 2 spacious horse arenas, perfect for training, riding, and honing your skills, whether you're into dressage, jumping, or just enjoying time in the saddle. With plenty of room for movement and the convenience of having it right on your property, this arena is ideal for riders of all levels. Imagine the possibilities of having your own private riding space just steps away.
Kentucky isn't just the horse capital of the world. It's a place where the land, climate, and community truly support equestrian lifestyles.
Not only do you get the freedom to ride, train, and care for your horses on your terms, but you also benefit from land investment. Property values in Kentucky are strong, especially for agricultural and equestrian land, tax benefits, personalized horse care, and endless riding opportunities. Owning a horse farm is more than just a property investment. It's a lifestyle that offers freedom, connection, and endless possibilities. Well, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful 20-acre horse farm. Drop a comment below or reach out to us at 270-929-5857.